this is this big contraption. You use this, sometimes we'll use this. This will actually lift the car up if it's a small vehicle. And we also use this to pull the engines out of the cars in here. And what you do, just pull these chains, and this goes up slowly. See, that goes up real slow, but it can lift a lot of weight. Get a view of the whole thing. As we push it around just like this, you know, you can push it around. Most times you'll need a team of guys to do it. So these cars here are cars that they're getting ready. They've been picked over enough. So they're going to take those cars and they're going to crush them up down there. We are here at the pick and pull, and it's called a pick and pull because you pick your own parts out and pull them off yourself. And we're getting a bumper and a bunch of other parts for our Santa Fe to fix her up a little bit. So, see, we got some doors. We got 2 doors, 2 seats, front seat, back seat. We're gonna get another seat. And what we're getting ready to work on now is we're gonna remove this bumper right here, the whole bumper. We're gonna take that off. And we're gonna fix her up. Yes, sir. We're victorious! We've got the bumper. Alright, y'all, we're in the process of swapping the doors out. We just came around the corner from the pick and pull to this AutoZone, and somebody called the store and said, do you know somebody's disassembling a car in your parking lot? And I imagine it does look like that when you see this, because we have been getting a lot of looks, but we're just replacing doors and seats. That's it. So, all right, y'all, we will continue. All right, y'all. Well, we have, as you can see, we're putting the final touches. We got a new seat in there, or not a new, but a better operating seat. We put a new door on here, another door, and another seat, because the old seat, I'll show you what was going on with the old seat we had in here. See that? So we replaced it with a one in. That's the old door. right there, okay? And a new one. And then I'm loading the other door in. This door just simply wouldn't work. It wouldn't open from the outside. So gonna be riding good. All these parts were about 200, so that's very good. Trust. And this is a very reliable vehicle, so we don't want to let it go. So. All right. Well, y'all, pretty much done. We just what we're doing now is just trying to connect the battery and everything, and then we're going to go drop the old stuff back off at the junkyard. So, yep. Oh, that is the game plan. All right, so what we're doing now is dropping off some scrap metal. So they're gonna weigh our car going in, and then they're gonna see how light our car is going out. So, well, we're going back in for more. We installed all that. Now we're gonna replace some more parts on it. Hopefully Umbry can make it. I know he's tired. You tired, man?
Nope.
So the fun continues. So what we're doing here, we had to, that's the old door. This is the old door here. And that's why we're swapping it out. This whole dent, that big dent there. And we got the door on there and the connectors wouldn't work. So we had to pull the whole harness off of this door and run it in here. You see we already installed the bottom harness, and now we're installing the top harness. That's what I'm doing right now. So we should be done here soon. And the vehicle will be looking as good as used.